They were last year. Yeah. Okay. Open this year.
Wow, look at that, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys.
Get lonely, I'm lonely too. I'm coming from far away to get real close to you. I don't need no presents, baby, under the tree. I just need your physical presence closer to me. Baby, my wish list for Christmas is Christmas. I want you right back here in my arms. I miss your kisses and I hate this distance. I just want you here with me, stay for.
Good evening, Tomah. Welcome to the 2019 Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. Please give a warm round of applause to Miss Kelly Prescott.
Hey baby, we've had such a busy year. We've been on the road and out and missing home. So could we just stay right here? Let's curl up by the fireplace. We don't need no malls. We've seen one, we've seen them all. There's no way to spend the day. This Christmas, save your money. Spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. I'm happy with the life we made. All the dogs in tow will be playing in the snow until the daylight fades. it real, let's keep it sweet. We don't have to throw away precious dollars we save on things we don't need. This Christmas, save your money, spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. This Christmas, save your money, spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. Yes, I This Christmas, save your money, spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. This Christmas, save your money, spend a little more time with me, honey. Oh, this Christmas, I just need you. This Christmas, I just need you. How you guys doing tonight? You look amazing. Thank you guys so much for being here to support your neighbors in need. Let's hear it for Canadian Pacific for bringing this train back to your gorgeous town once again. All right, kids. I think it's time that we do a song about that fuzzy reindeer, the guy with the red nose.
Rudolph.
Roger.
Steven.
Billy?
Barry.
Oh, Randy. Randolph.
Roderick.
Oh, thank you, Rudolph. Okay, whoa. Sorry, guys, I'm a little forgetful, so if you could help me out with this one. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? You're not Rudolph! You're the Grinch!
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are an eel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's empty. Oh, your brain is full of spiders. You got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it close. All want you by my side tonight. Then offer reindeer loved him as he shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. Thank you guys so much. Let's hope the Grinch doesn't come back. But I know who is here tonight, Miss Tanika Charles. How you guys doing tonight? Thank you for doing that. Can I get your hands like this? Maybe help you warm yourself up a little bit. Hey! Once in my life on the prairies, not by choice. He told me we gon' get married. Left behind kicking, got a woman feeling back and weary. Look at the coffee, drinking the ride, doing a trailer full of supply. Guys on the window, feels like that. Time will take my running. On the road again, I can never go back. I'm on the road again, I can never go back. I'm on the road again, I can never go back. No more, no more. He said, baby, you're a cold one. But I had to leave that town, take it to the road, so run, so run. Run, 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 so run, so run. Hey, you know what? I make a mess every place I go. Watch would really be different. Hey, I'm so fly, get in so much trouble. Got a bunch of brothers fighting over me. One of my bracelets, mine. Go get an inches. I got my kicks and I said goodbye. Time to take my running. I'm on the road again, I can never go back, never. I'm on the road again, I can never go back, never. I'm on the road again, I can never go back. Never, never, yeah. Maybe you're a cool one, but I was having too much fun to care. Take it to the road, so run, so run. Run, 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 so run, so run. What you got for me, Chad? Over here. How are you guys doing on this side? You guys all right? Amazing. It's my first time on the holiday train and I'm so thrilled to be here and also with you all. So thank you for coming out and thank you for your donations and your support and love, and you guys need to give yourselves a little hand for yourself for being so generous this holiday season. So give it up. You want to sing some Christmas songs?
One sec. Good evening, Tomah! How y'all doing out there tonight? My name is Andy Cummings, and on behalf of Canadian Pacific, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this beautiful 2019 holiday train. What do you think? We're pretty fond of it too. It's why we keep bringing it back year after year. We're now on year 21. In that time, we've raised about $15.8 million and 4.5 million pounds of food for community food banks all across North America. And we do that because folks like you come out and donate. And I want to thank you for being here tonight and thank you for your donations. I see a lot of folks out there with cameras and phones. We want to see the train from your perspective. We are on the social media. Come find us at CP Holiday Train. Share those photos. We do want to see them. Mayor Mike, do you want to come on out? Mayor Mike, everybody.
Just want to say thank you to everyone for coming out tonight. Canadian Pacific Railroad, the band. I know this cannot be warm up here. I don't know how they're doing it, but big round of applause for everybody that put this together. Thank you for all of you that came out. Have a very, very Merry Christmas. Thank you for all you do for the community of Tomah.
Thanks so much, Mike. I want Doug from Neighbors for Neighbors to come on out, please. Doug, thank you for all you do, and as an appreciation for that, Jay is a locally based CP employee. He helps keep us safe working on the track out there. Here we go, Jay. Bring it on out. You're going to be presenting a check tonight for $4,500.
I want to say thank you to everyone who came out tonight. Thanks so much for your support 365 days a year, whether you're there volunteering, whether you're donating food, whether you're donating to us financially. You help make Neighbor for Neighbor the generative force fighting hunger that it is in western Wisconsin. Thanks so much and enjoy the band.
Thank you, Doug. Thanks for all you do. You guys go ahead and take that off stage, because now is the time when I turn the show over to Megan Patrick.
Kelly, are you going on this one? Is this you here? Okay, we're gonna get this one out of the way. How are we doing? I would just like to start by saying this is the first time we've seen snow, and I'm so excited. I was born in Canada. I live in Nashville now, so as you can imagine, I don't get to see a lot of snow anymore. So this makes me very excited. So thank you for being my first snow of the year. And in honor of that, I think we should play a Christmas song. I'm so happy to be here. This is such an amazing experience, and to know that because of you guys, you are going to be helping people in need this holiday season have food on their table, and that's an amazing thing. And just all of this is super magical, and I love your cheese, big fan. Should we do another Christmas song? All right, this is my favorite Christmas song. I'm going to make it real country because that's what I do with things. All they a blue, blue Christmas.
Give it up for Meg and Patrick! I don't know, guys. That wasn't very loud. I knew you could do better. What do you think? Should we get Tanika and Meg back up here for one more song?
Hey, Kelly, hold on.
Yeah?
I almost forgot to tell you, when I was walking to the stage, I ran into the Grinch.
Oh.
He said he was really sorry for stealing your moose and that his heart grew 3 sizes today.
That's
Just from
so
your beautiful
sweet.
performance and because of all the donations you guys made.
Yay! Thank
So
you guys! You got
the
my
Christmas
goodie
spirit
bag.
is restored. Put the moose back in his rightful place here.
Well, we've got Tanika here, and fun fact, she's won many awards for her tambourine playing, and Meg is the world champion
3 years running. It's no big deal.
of jingle belling. So let's get these kids bopping. Can you guys bop? Those J-I-G-L-E bells. I love those J-I-G-L-E bells. I love those J-I-G-L-E-B-E-double-L-S. I love those J-I-G-L-E bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, laughing all the way. Don't bop the tree, making spirits bright. Fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Boys, can we just break it down here for a second? First of all, let's give a round of applause for the band here.